Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to open the phone's dialer and let's activate keypad, and let me show you the first method by using the secret code. So let's use the *#06#, and as you can see, the following menu pops up. So you can read the IMEI number, the serial number. You can also use the barcodes to these numbers. Let's tap OK to close this window. Let me show you the second way of checking IMEI and serial. Let's just open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose about phone, and let's select the status, the second option right here. Here you have to read the serial number. You can also read the Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and you may also choose IMEI information in order to read the IMEI number of the device. What's more, you can also find the serial and the IMEI number on the back of your device right here. So here you've got the information about your IMEI and serial number. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.